Hey, good morning, everyone. I just wanted to chime in quickly and say good job this week with our first week of distance learning. From my perspective, things went really well and everyone was interacting with the materials. Just a little reminder here of how this all works. Got your distance education page. You go, you find, for instance, findLerky Science. I'm going to try and keep it consistent for next week as far as how it looks. About 40 minutes a class period. I'll have the date on there, the learning targets for the day, any video links that we might need, and then any links to any assignments or extra videos, tutorials that I have to do. One thing I wanted to point out is that when you do go to the slides, which I'll make another set of slides like this with answer keys and whatnot. Today is Friday, so happy Friday, by the way. And today is the day that you submit this assignment. So basically, after you've done your exit slips for the day, you've got your Friday exit slip here based on your work with energy consumption. And you've got your exit slip from Thursday. Exit slip is just basically, just think of it as a reverse bell ringer. Instead of having something to do at the beginning of class, you're just doing something at the end of class. And this will be submitted for your work completion for the week and to show me that you're interacting with the material. And it'll also be attendance because we have to submit attendance whether or not students have interacted with the material. All right, I wanted to keep this video under 2 minutes, so I just wanted to say again, nice job with distance learning and communication. I hope next week we have some more exciting things to do. I've got some ideas in my mind rolling around about how to do a little more interactive stuff, but until then, stay tuned.